Hello students, today we are going to study about some introduction of a new chapter, that is gravitation, for class 9. Actually, in this chapter, firstly we have to know about centripetal force, and then after we proceed in this chapter. Actually, when a body moves along a circular path, then two forces acts on that body. First force acts towards the center of that circular path, and to balancing that force at the same time, according to third law of Newton's, and another force acts on that body away from the circular path. The force which acts towards the center is known as centripetal force, and that time the force acts away from the center is known as centrifugal force. These two forces acts on the same body at the same time whenever it moves along a circular path. And this force is capable to fix the body along the circular path of any center. After that, we discussed in this chapter about Kepler's law. Johannes Kepler was Copernicus was the first man who tells about the hypotheticals idea of planetary motion. But Johannes Kepler was the first man who introduced the planetary motion with mathematical process. He gave three laws, that is law of orbit, law of area, and law of time period. With the help of these Kepler's law, Newton formulated the law of gravitation. Firstly, when he derived these equations of gravitation, then he found that Earth is a capability to attract any body towards its center. But after his formula, with the help of Kepler's formula, when he introduced Newton introduced his own formula, then he found that this attractive force is found in every body in this universe, even a sand particles or a big stone. They all are capable to attract every body towards its center, but they have their own respective forces. Then Newton defined gravity exists among all the body in this universe, then it becomes gravitation. Now, in introduction class, we just see on the board what is centripetal, centrifugal, and how the gravitation acts among all the body in this universe. Now, let's see on the board. In these chapters, firstly, actually we have to study about Kepler's law. But when a body, suppose we have a circular path of center O, and a body A moves along this circular path, then that body on its center, its path exists two forces. First towards the center, and second one away from the center. The force which acts towards the center is known as force of centripetal. And the force which acts away from the center, that is called force of centrifugal. And according to Newton's third law, we can say that the force of centripetal is equal to the force of centrifugal. That means we can say that centripetal force and centrifugal force are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. And that body on which these two forces acts at the same time, having same magnitude but opposite direction, is known as in its balanced condition. But if हम लोग देखें कि अगर एक एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे हम लोग देखें जिसकी सहायता से न्यूटन ने फॉर्मूला अपना ड्राइव किया ग्रेविटेशन का, कि सपोज कीजिए कि दो बॉडी हैं, अ बॉडी ए एंड अ बॉडी बी. सपोज कीजिए कि हमारे पास दो बॉडियां हैं ए एंड बी, एंड देयर इज अ सेपरेशनल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बॉडी ए एंड बी, दैट इज आर. Then agar if we assume A as the center, then we can say that B is on its circumference. If we assume, अगर हम मान लें कि A center है, then we can say the body B is on the circumference of that body. And if we taken B as the center, then we at the same time we can say that A is on the circumference of the B. That means if A arises a force on B up to a distance r, at the same time B arises the same force on A up to a same distance. So we can say that gravitational force is just a mutual force. That means if a body applied that a force on another body, then the another body at the same time applies the same force but in opposite direction on the first body. So we can say that the force, when force, if अगर हम लोग ये कह दें कि अर्थ हमको खींच रहा है अपनी सेंटर की ओर, एट द सेम टाइम हम भी अर्थ को अपनी सेंटर की ओर खींच रहे हैं, बट वी कांट सी एग्जैक्टली दैट वी अप्लाई द फोर्स ऑन द अर्थ और अर्थ मूव्स टुवर्ड्स मी. एक्चुअली अकॉर्डिंग टू थर्ड लॉ ऑफ न्यूटन, वेयर F1 is equal to minus F2, we can say that if the forces are equal, then heavier body have less acceleration and the lesser body have great acceleration. So with respect to me and earth is a very heavier body, so its acceleration is very lesser, and with respect to earth, we are a very smaller body, so the acceleration developed in our body, in me, is maximum. So in these chapters in gravitation, firstly we exactly know about the centripetal and centrifugal force, the mutual attractions of force between two bodies. After that we should study about the Kepler's law of planetary motion, that is the first mathematical interpretations. After that we have to study about the Newton's formulation with the help of Kepler's. Then we should study about the law of gravitation, its importance, its energy, etc. So this is just an introduction, and in another class we just discussed about Kepler's planetary motion. Thank you.